Hello to all English-speaking dear customers. I am Parviz Akbari, the sales manager of AZARYAP Turkey. The production line you are watching is our latest production line for square and rectangular breads. The width of the line is 110 centimeters, its length is 6.5 meters, and the height of the oven is 2.3 meters. The production capacity per hour, depending on the thickness and length of the bread, is between 1200 and 2200 pieces per hour. For every 50 kilos of the flour, it can be added between 28 and 30 liters water, which means our machines can work with soft and juicy dough. Also, our machines can work with both leavened and unleavened dough. The heating system of the oven is gas and works with 21 millibars gas pressure, and all devices work with 220 single phase electricity.